So we wanted to start out by just sharing what functional programming is. There's definitely a lot of different definitions out there and a lot of different ways we can explain it. So we just kind of wanted to go over the main points of functional programming, which is treating code like mathematical equations. So with the same input, you always have the same output. Composing a lot of smaller functions into larger functions, always trying to avoid shared state, mutable data, and side effects. And it's really good for multi-threaded support. And we just try to keep everything immutable because it makes our code easier to test. And so there's so much we can go into, but we're going to break it down today and show you how you can practically make your application more functional.
So the first concept that Shelby kind of hit on was pure functions. This is a big thing in functional programming. You want to make sure your functions don't have any side effects. So we can see here on the left, you have something which is an input and an output. For the same input, you're always going to get the same output. On the right, you have something that's more procedural. You have some side effects going on in the middle of the function. You might be referencing some external resource or external variable outside the function. You rather would want to have whatever you need for that function in the input for the function. And that's what makes your function more pure. So there's no shared mutated state. And it's very much like a mathematical equation. So this is a key concept that we want to kind of convey. Like, you need to make sure you try to make your functions as pure as possible.